Welcome to my YouTube channel. Kindly like and subscribe if this is the first time you're seeing my videos. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to use the kill command in Linux, a simple yet powerful way to manage and stop running processes. This is especially useful for system admins, ethical hackers, or anyone managing Linux system. The kill command is used to send signal to processes. By default, it sends the terminate signal, politely asking the process to stop running. You can also use other signals like kill for forcefully shut down. Before using the kill command, you need to know the PID of the process. For you to know the PID of the process, from what you can see on my screen, you see that my Firefox is up. So for me to know the PID of my Firefox, I'll just do pgrep Firefox. The PID of my Firefox. Now I want to turn on my Wireshark. Wireshark is up. Now I want to see the process identity of my Wireshark. I'm going to use the command pgrep Wireshark. This is the PID of my Wireshark. Any application or package you are running, once you use the pgrep and the package name, it will show you the PID of that package. Now to kill a process, let me say I want to stop running Wireshark. I'm going to use the command kill. Since I know the PID of the Wireshark as this, I'm going to copy the PID, then paste it here. So once I hit enter, you will see that on my screen there's this Wireshark icon here. So once I hit enter, you no longer see this icon at the top of my screen. So once I hit enter, you see I've stopped Wireshark from running. I've killed Wireshark. So this is how you kill a process using the PID. And also you can also kill a process by name. For you to kill a process by name, you use the command pkill Firefox. At the top of my window, you see the Firefox icon here. So once I click enter, you no longer see the Firefox icon because I've killed the Firefox. Now I want to run my Wireshark again. I want to execute it. Once I hit enter, Wireshark is going to execute. Now for me to forcefully kill a process, you can use the command kill -9, then the PID of the Wireshark. So this is the icon of the Wireshark. Once I hit enter, this command is going to forcefully kill the Wireshark using this command that I just showed you. For you to safely kill a process, you use this command kill -15. This is a safer way to terminate a process because it lets the app shut down cleanly. That's it for today. You have just learned how to kill process safely and forcefully in Linux. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Linux and cybersecurity content. Thank you.